All right, here is a nice inspiration that I am pulling from when it comes to this. This actually was very popular on our Pinterest. MIIEN Consultancy, definitely go check it out. That's where we use like a storyboard, style inspiration, and lookbooks. But this look was definitely popular within our inspiration. I said, you know what? I have not done a nice little color palette. So I said, let me select this outfit. So here is the color. If you guys are interested, if this is your color that looks really, really good and you're like, man, I have this sitting in my closet, but I'm not sure what would really look good. We're going to get right on into it. So stay tuned and let's dive into some color styling and some palette creation by Mikara Reid at MIIEN. Oh, so here is my first palette option right here. This was a very obvious because Aqua is definitely a part of the blue family. So I said, let me try the very, very opposites of the spectrum, the color wheel, which would be a very dark blue. So this is a nice shade of navy blue if you want to take a snapshot of it. But I thought that that was just an automatic given when I saw this outfit. I said, up, the first one I definitely want to curate for this palette is navy blue. Let me just see what shade of navy blue that looks really, really good. So if you found this very inspirational, definitely give us a thumbs up, give us a follow. We don't bite, I swear. And stay tuned for the next palette. All right, the last one was a little bit dark, but this one I said, up, let me give it a nice little soft, dainty type of vibe. So here is a nice, dainty type of vibe. All right, this is a nice shade of like a lavender, very soft, very delicate. They're both on the cool side. They don't clash against each other. I really like this. Depending on your undertones and your skin tone, this can really just be a very just angelic type of feel, if you know what I'm talking about. But I'm really liking it. Definitely take a snapshot if you're feeling this combination and give us a follow. We listen, we don't bite. We don't bite. Like, and I'm gonna see you in the next video for the palette. So we did a nice shade of purple, which was like a nice little lavender. If you haven't seen it, go back and check it out. But here is a darker version. If you were ever wondering, you saw the one, you stuck around, you was like, I really like that purple one, that light purple one, but I also want to see what dark shade would look really good with this aqua. Here it is. I actually would wear this. The purple would be more of my dominant color, and then I would like accent it with this. But if you are more compatible with cool colors, then this can be, your dominant color, and then this can be like your passive color. So if you're feeling this, definitely take a nice little snapshot of this style inspiration. Give us a follow. Girl, come along. Stop playing. Stop watching the videos. All right, come along and join along. All right, I'm gonna see you in the next video. All right, back to my girls who are for the dainty type of vibes. So here's my next palette, which is like, I want to say this is like a very cool type of antique lemon lime. I don't know the exact name of colors. I'm not the best with that, but I love just describing it to you guys so that you guys could kind of just see what I'm talking about. But with this having like an undertone of green, it does work well with this cool blue, this aqua blue. So if you're feeling it, go ahead and take a snapshot and definitely give us a follow. We don't bite. We don't bite. We help you. We help you, but we don't bite. Give us a like and let us know if you're gonna try it out or you like it, but you're not sure if you're gonna try it out. All right. See you next video. This one, I know this color looks like white, but it's actually not. It has an underlying of yellow. But this was just such a given. I definitely don't want to spend too much time on this because it looks like white, and white pretty much goes with all colors. So this is a nice color palette that you can try, and let's go on to the next. My favorite, which is monochromatic. Definitely take a snapshot if you are feeling this, but monochromatic is always one of my favorite. It doesn't matter how old or how young you are. Monochromatic always wins, always kills, always makes you fashion forward. So if you are feeling it, definitely give us a follow. Like the video, let me know if you're going to try it out. This would definitely be my vibe. And then a nice little pop of lip and my nails, if they were, well, I'm letting my nails grow out, but definitely give us a follow. Like, see. All right. So, was you feeling it? Which one was your favorite? I'm definitely, my monochromatic is always going to be the winner for me, but for you, it could be something else. Maybe you're looking for something new. Maybe you're trying to transition into a new you and you want some color styling ideas. So I hope I gave you some ideas. My name is Mikara Reid. I'm at MIIEN Consultancy. Yes, that's MIIEN, MIIEN Consultancy, where I dress people's fashion for a better visual impact. Yes, and one of the ways is definitely color style, color palettes. I love that because that definitely just aligns with your personality. Um it can do so many things, change the person's mood, just not, it's just a non-verbal communication, something that I really, really love. So if you are feeling it, definitely give us a follow. Okay. And I'm gonna see you next video, right?